Hey y'all, what's up? I got another unboxing to do. Come with me as we dive into the box and see what we got. Shall we? Let's go. All right. Let's see what we got in the box today. Ooh, y'all. All right. Uriel-Heaven monetary cigars. I think I got two of these. Got two of these. Two of those bad boys. 5 packs. And then I got Gran Habano. Gran Habano, Connecticut. Never had these before. So got those. And then my absolute budget friendly cigars. Cuban Rounds. Got my first bundle from them. Now, I like Cuban Rounds. If y'all don't know that already about me, I like Cuban Rounds. Awesome bundle. I love Cuban Round cigars. 20 pack. This is a 20 pack. So this is my first 20 pack ever from anyone. So yeah. Oh no. I think that that box of Oliva, I think there was 20 in there. So this would be my first 20 pack. Second 20 pack. But first 20 pack from Cuban Rounds. So that's pretty much it right there, y'all. I can't wait to try these. I've had Uriel-Heaven monetary before, but not these particular cigars. So yeah, that's gonna be cool. All right, that's one. Let's go on to the next one. Let's go. See what we got here in this box. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got in this box. All right. CAO. 2 CAOs. Cigarillos. Can't wait to try these bad boys.